What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we managed to summon Velzard using more than 3000 magic crystals. I've been saving those crystals since 2 months ago. From 0 magic crystals, I collected 9000, and because of my summon now is only 5430. So I will show you her in battle, but first I will show you which other characters I managed to summon throughout the summoning for Velzard. So while summoning on Velzard banner, I got another dupe for Gazelle. Now he's level 96. We didn't get a protector, but we got Shizu to level 92, and we got a dupe of Shuna. He's now level 88, and finally I got the 2 characters that I'm missing from the general pool, and those are Watarimuru and Shion. Where are you, Shion? There you are. Okay, so those characters are the one that I got using 3000 magic crystals, and also because of the 4 stars that I summon, I trade them for awakening Milimnaba. Now it's 84, and now let's go into a battle using our new character. Okay, so now I have a lot of water characters. Where are you? Okay, so let's see. Let's replace Ranga with our new hero, Velzard. Let's put Ranga on support. Let's put Watarimuru here, so we will have our maximum bonus, and equip all, prioritize attack. Okay, let's move out to see them in action. Wow, what an animation. So he has his own buff like Gazelle in Diablo. And this is the abnormal status for the enemy. Let's try that. Frostbite. Okay. Let's see how she attacks. You get a full brown orbs. So you will have their ulti. Okay. Normally I don't summon for new characters, but because she is Velzard's sister, I summoned for her. No, not now. Before we use Predator, let's use 6 green orbs for the limited missions first. Okay. No. My water's removing slime form is pretty strong also. It's level 88. Now we can use Predator. Okay, it should be always on S rank to get 3 enhancement skills. Those 3 will be useful. Okay, because I use 6 green orbs, I managed to clear a limited mission, and it will add to my experience, and I get a free 10 stamina. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Happy gaming.